Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature my 5 best blog topic generating tools I use to get jaw-dropping topics. And also, my secret sauce to consistent blogging success. Please share your sentiments in the comments section. Thank you for watching. How'd you like to learn how to get blog topic suggestions by taking advantage of these 5 blog generating tools? If you answered yes, then you have come to the right place. Read on. Dear reader, I shall share with you my favorite blog topic generating tools. You can create themes for your blog and manage content with the following 5 tools. The themes these blog topic generating tools create are useful and you can use them in the title of your next blog. You can also use the topic hints they provide as a guide to come up with your own. The following tools will help you identify your target audience, find topics that the audience likes, and overcome author blocks so you can plan your blogging strategy. Time-saving blogging tools can cut the time spent researching your market, deciphering your competitors, researching topics, and analyzing trends by up to 50%. Let's look at my 5 favorite blog topic generating tools. The Hub SPT Blog Topic Generator. With this HubSpot blog topic generator, you can get lots of suggestions on topics to write about. The HubSpot Blog Theme Builder is a time-saving blogging tool that can help you with this important task. If you find it difficult to develop new ideas for your posts regularly, the HubSpot Blog Theme Builder can help you a lot. With tools like the HubSpot Blog Theme Builder, you can overcome writer's block and focus on what you love most, writing blog content. This amazing content writing tool from HubSpot will help you find the right blog ideas for your niche. The HubSpot Blog Theme Generator allows you to enter up to 3 keywords and then it does its magic. You get a long list of topics that are ready to use right away, or that will help point you in the right direction. Type a keyword into the search bar and this blogging tool from HubSpot will give you blog post ideas and reasons why you should use the generated title. The Omen Content Idea Generator. The Omen Content Idea Generator helps you find catchy headlines or blog topic suggestions. The Portent Content Idea Generator. If you're having trouble figuring out the best title for your next blog post, Portent's Content Idea Generator should be on your wish list. In other words, Portent is a simple but time-consuming tool if you're looking for a list of topics. Like the HubSpot Blog Theme Generator, the Portent Content Idea Generator is also pretty easy to use. Just insert your keywords and the website will give you a list of possible topics. The Tweak Your Biz Headline Generator. Using Tweak Your Biz's headline generator tool, you can create a theme for your next blog post. The BuzzSumo Blogging Tool. Enter a topic or URL into the BuzzSumo search box and you'll get a wealth of information about the content that's best for posting on social media. BuzzSumo is a blogging tool that helps you explore content that performs well on social media or other sites, as well as research your competitors to find out what content will generate exceptional engagement. BuzzSumo can be very useful for enriching an existing idea to find the perfect angle, or for a general overview of the content that works well, and the blogs that do it best, in your niche. BuzzSumo is one of the attractive tools that will allow you to find blog topics that are popular at any given time. My secret sauce to consistent blogging success. While the secret sauce to blogging success is consistently posting high-quality content, using the right tools can help you create better blog posts faster, streamline processes, and set your blog up for long-term success and scalability. In this article, I have shared 5 of my favorite blog topic generating tools available on the web to help you create better blog posts, increase traffic, rank on Google, and more. Conclusion, the takeaway. If you're struggling because you can't come up with great blog ideas, you should check out one of the blog topic generating tools I shared above. These tools will help you with everything from keyword research to creating the perfect blog themes, promoting your blogs on social media, managing email campaigns, and more. Whether you're starting or owning your own blog, sharing experiences on your blog, or promoting your business, using these blogging tools will help you be more efficient. The right blogging tools will help you write posts that work better and faster. That's why you need a blog topic generating tool to help you create great titles for your blog posts. I hope you have found my podcast to be helpful in answering your questions concerning my 5 favorite blog topic generating tools. Don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.